I'm Dr. Jane Kanku, the director of the Kenya National Cleaner Production Center, and for the last 2 years has been implementing a project called Sustainable Manufacturing and Environmental Pollution, financed by FCDO and supported by partners such as UNCTAD, Pegasus, and South North. Locally here we have partners like Fintech Frontiers and Kanku Limited. So the project is about enhancing the efficiency of resource use by enterprises that are located within Nairobi Rivers Basin, but also reducing pollution that is coming from these enterprises and entering the Nairobi rivers. And the rivers are therefore highly polluted, receiving pollution from all sectors. But our focus is on manufacturing industry and other enterprises that are located within the basin. The basin covers Nairobi, Kiambu, Machakos, Kajiado, and Makueni. So the industries that we are working with cut across those counties. The program basically entailed removing the barriers that are leading to the industries not being able to reduce the pollution into the rivers, but also inefficient use of resources like water, materials, and energy. So in our program, we were training the industries first and foremost to equip them with the skills that are needed for them to cause change within their production processes. After the training, followed it up with what we call process audits, where we go in and examine their production processes, finding out where resources are being used inefficiently. And by resources, again, I mean water, energy, and materials, and why is that happening. So after we examine at the process level how they can be as efficient as possible, we also now embark on finding out why waste is being generated and where that waste is being generated. After establishing the two, resource efficiency and pollution prevention measures, we package that into an implementation program for them. So the industries, we started with about mapping about 200 industries, trained half of those, and were able to go in depth and do that analysis for 26 of them. Now, these 26 of them have been taken through a journey of implementing those measures, which could be technology change from highly polluting technologies to cleaner technologies. So we have been able to document the achievements that these industries have realized. And today, we are actually recognizing those companies that have excelled in the various categories of now, the awards that we are giving. We are looking at those companies that have been able to use their water efficiently and therefore minimized on wastewater generation. We are looking at those ones who have minimized solid waste generation, greenhouse gas emission reduction. We are also looking at those ones who have improved their compliance, environmental compliance in line with NEMA standards. We also are looking at newer aspects that touch on gender and social inclusion, so that we see that there is actually a deliberate effort by the industries to include all demographics of the population in their management. Therefore, in the award of those industries, it is sending a message to the other industries that when you do well, you get recognized, and not only recognition, but you enhance your efficiency, you save money. So resource efficiency and cleaner production, which now we've been implementing for the last 2 years, makes economic sense. Moving forward, we are hopeful that with this project, we are going to scale up. So I encourage as many industries as possible, engage on how best they can be assisted, so that they're also part of this team enjoying the benefits of implementing resource efficient and cleaner production under the project of sustainable manufacturing and environmental pollution.
My name is Selina. I work in Atravetis East Africa Limited as a production manager. Atravetis is an organization that was started in the year 2000 by two gentlemen, Mr. Washira Mureithi and Mr. Govi Mushane. Our core business is providing agrochemical solutions to farmers. We have veterinary products and hybrid seeds that we sell both in the country and out of the country. So on our engagement with Kenya Cleaner Production, we started our engagement in the year 2020, where we did a baseline audit. We opened our doors, and out of that audit, we realized we had so many gaps. When the report came, we started actioning on the recommendations. Kenya Cleaner Production came to Atravetis. We offered the training facilities and they trained us on resource efficiency, something that helped us adopt very fast. After that, when we received the report, there were recommendations that our consumption for electricity was high. We used a lot of water, especially for cleaning, because we thought maybe a lot of water would clean better. We had no segregation of waste, so we used to consume a lot of money on incineration of hazardous waste. So after this engagement, we started segregation of waste. We also started measuring our water. We also changed our capacitors for electricity. So far, they helped us adopt into lean processes. Lean processes meaning that we are able to achieve more with less. So we got support from SMEP. It has helped the business to rise because we are able to interact well with all our stakeholders. Recently, we got certified with ISO 9001:2015. One of the requirements is that we need to meet the requirements of the interested parties. Interested parties here, I mean, we have the environment around us, we have our neighbors, we have the government, and when we are compliant, we are meeting the requirements of our interested parties. And thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to Yetu Tanneries. My name is Anna Njiro. I am the production manager here at Yetu Tanneries. So Yetu Tanneries is a beneficiary of the SMEP program, whereby we have benefited from our effluent treatment plant that we are setting up right now. So we were identified as a tannery here, and the SMEP people and the KNCPC, they came to the ground. They took our effluent for sampling, and that is where we were identified that our BOD and COD levels were very high. So we had to undergo the workshops, the training, so that we can see where we can improve. So we went for the workshops. After that, the KNCPC team came to the ground, where recommendations were given, where we gave our people PPEs, signages were put up. We were told on how to regulate our water levels, how to meter them, because we did not have that before. So all these came in under the SMEP and the KNCPC program. So after that now, we have also been undergoing a lot of analysis, where in cooperation with the Kanku group, we tested our effluent, the living water, the chromium water, and we identified how they can treat it for us. So now we are setting up the ETP plant so that now we can treat our effluents. Thank you.